President Trump makes an extraordinary demand for someone else to raise their tariffs. It's Wednesday, the 10th of September, and this is what you need to know. President Trump is putting pressure on the EU to enter the trade war. He's urged the bloc to raise tariffs of up to 100% on China and India. The goal is to increase pressure on Russia to end its war on Ukraine, as Trump's frustration is growing over the difficulty to broker peace. Trump's latest tariff proposal does contrast with a softer tone he's taken with China over the past months and does risk immediate retaliation. An EU diplomat said that the US signalled readiness to impose similar tariffs, but only if the EU does. Let's look at how that's affecting oil, our chart of the day. Prices climbed for a third session, but a weaker market capped gains. Israel attacked Hamas leadership in Qatar on Tuesday, escalating tensions in the Middle East. Qatar is a key US ally and one of the world's biggest gas exporters. The attack drew rare criticism from President Trump and highlights the risk that the war in Gaza may get worse before it gets better. Markets are locking in that the Fed will cut interest rates next week, but the question is, by how much? The answer will become clear later today with the release of the August PPI report. US wholesale inflation accelerated by the most in 3 years in July, but analysts expect that prices will fall this month. The crucial CPI report follows on Thursday, and markets only see an around 5% chance of a 50 basis point cut next week. After years of refreshes, Apple's iPhone lineup seems exciting again. The company unveiled the iPhone Air on Tuesday, its slimmest handset yet, and its biggest change in 8 years. Analysts said that the new design could be a win, boosting Apple's sales in the crucial holiday shopping season. But the launches brought no new AI features, innovations that Apple's competitors are betting on. Speaking of AI, our stock of the day is Oracle. Shares surged to a record after the company gave an aggressive outlook for its cloud business. The numbers stunned Wall Street, and the company is on track to add around $190 billion to its market value. Oracle's forecasts highlight the need for AI developers to keep accelerating their investments. And that's what you need to know this morning.